Hey guys, how are you? I feel like I've been gone for so long. Thank you for your patience. When I arrived back from my Chicago trip, I had so many boxes waiting for me. I put a poll asking what box you guys wanted me to open first, and POPSUGAR Must Have Winter Box won, and this thing is heavy. I have not opened it yet. I know I looked at some spoilers in the past. I can only remember about one or two things, but like seriously, I can't imagine what is in here that is so heavy. If you don't know, POPSUGAR Must Have is a quarterly box. It normally costs $75, but I do have a $20 off referral link below. So if you sign up, you pay only $55, and then I would get $20 credit to the POPSUGAR shop or something like that. Just so you know, and if you're interested in like this box, I think it's still available. And I know there was a Black Friday special that you get like a free gift, and when I looked on their website today, it looks like it's still active, so you might get the $20 off and a free gift, but it's possible that's over. It says on the bottom like fine print that ends the 23rd, but today's the 25th and it's still up, so I don't know if there's just still some left. But anyways, I will quit rambling and I will open this. By the way, I put on a sweater even though it's like 80 degrees here, just so I can like fit the winter theme. I can't believe we're getting winter boxes already, but I love seasonal boxes. Oh my gosh. So when you open it, it's happiness delivered. And then all this stuff is neatly packed in there. And I'll open the thing I do remember first. So, well, actually here, so there's a card. I shouldn't get ahead of myself. And then there's like a whole thing of coupon codes if you guys wanted to like pause and take advantage of those, go for it. But they always have like a little pamphlet that tells you everything about the product, so I'll keep this right here so I can look at it to see the prices of everything. So the first thing that caught my eye that I remember is this white throw, and I am so excited. I'm finally like trying to decorate my place and make it more like homey. Like when I drove back from Chicago, I finally brought my car back, so I was able to bring some like artwork and decor and stuff like that. But this blanket looks awesome. So this is like a beautiful throw just to go over your couch. Well, that's what I plan to do. You can use it on your bed too. It's huge. Sorry. I need to get used to being on camera again. It's been forever, it feels like, but this is kind of hard to show you the full thing, but this is like a full-size blanket. Let's see what this costs. I'm gonna start sweating if I leave this on my lap. So this is by Uncommon James, 100% handmade cotton fringe throw. The retail value of this is $118. And you can see how they styled it in this photo. Isn't that so cute? I love that pillow. I love the color of the couch too. It's like a mustard yellow. But it's, it says, cuddle on the couch with this chic, versatile throw that Uncommon James created exclusively for our POPSUGAR Must Have box. This piece was made in partnership with Tribe Alive, a company whose mission is to promote female artisans, ensure they're paid living wages, and provide a safe environment for them. The soft material and contemporary look make it the ideal throw to incorporate into any space. Cozy nights, and just got so much better. So I like threw the plastic on the ground, and my cat's playing with it right now, but at least they're distracted. So if you hear any crinkling, that's Archer on the ground. Man, there's still so much stuff in here. Well, I guess I only opened one thing, but it's like jam-packed. So I'm gonna open this next, and I have a feeling this is an eyeshadow palette. It's like one of those things like it's kind of coming back to me when I looked at some of the sneak peeks. So this is by Winky Locks. Oh my god, and this is called the Sugar Kitten palette. So this is the back of it. Look how, I love how shiny it is. You know I love a good eyeshadow palette, oh my gosh. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. Packaging so that you can like feel this. This is on both sides, so super shiny and cute. And then there's a little protector so it came nice and safe. Throw that aside, and this is cruelty free, which is awesome. This, oh my god, I really like that purple in the middle. Isn't this pretty? I have to swatch that. Let me pull my sweater a little. Oh my god. So pretty. I'm super excited to use this. And so all of the shade names are like sugar cookie frosting, caramel truffle, sprinkles, like names that are making me hungry. Nice. I'm excited to try this. This is awesome. Let's see how much this costs. So this is $25. And this is what it looks like in there. I won't read you everything, but like it said, it's the Sugar Kitten palette, and it looks like this is exclusive for the POPSUGAR box too. So there's a lot of exclusive things in here, which is awesome. I'm super excited to try this out. That purple is just screaming my name. I don't know. All right, next thing I'm just ooh, a candle, yay. When I got back to my place, I just could tell my place needs some TLC and some candles. My cats live here on their own. I mean, they had a cat sitter come by, but it kind of stinks here. So this is by, sorry, I just like started opening this without even showing you. This is by Apothic, the Tobacco Blossom scented candle. So it's just like a simple looking candle. And it smells really good. At first it was like tobacco. I'm like, this just smells very like lightly scented. Okay, let's see if there's a description. You guys know I'm not great at describing scents. But it smells good. It smells really good. So this is a retail value of $36. And it says, this sweet tobacco scent also includes traces of cognac and anise, while creamy vanilla makes a subtle entrance among chestnut and embers. Yeah, what I think I smelled mostly was that vanilla. So it wasn't like too strong. So maybe when I light it off, I don't even know what anise is, or A-N-I-S-E, I don't know. But it's the spirit of the season wrapped up in one perfect scent. It does really smell like winter. Like, it smells really good and cozy. That's all I can say, so. Awesome. I love candles. And then I see something that looks like jewelry. This is by Melinda Maria. I think this might have been the item that we got to customize, like either silver or gold, I think. So this is just like a little card for... So this is what it looks like when I first open the bag. Let me get this open. So do you guys prefer silver or gold? I wasn't sure, so I chose silver. It's coming back to me now. So this is really pretty and festive. It's like simple. It can go with like any outfit. I like this. I like long necklaces too. I feel like most of my jewelry collection now is shorter necklaces, so I could use some longer. So I like this. I'm going to put this back in the bag, and then I will tell you how much this baby costs. But by far, we're exceeding the price of the box. So I paid $75 for it. This is $98, wow. And look, you can loop it around. That's a good idea. See how that model's wearing it? That's pretty. Okay, I am sweating with this blanket on me. I don't want to put it on the ground, but I will. Ooh, super pretty. It's called the Sabrina Pod Necklace. Oh, I started to watch the show Sabrina on Netflix. It was good. I forgot about that. I need to start watching it again. Ooh, what's this? This is like a Kate Spade calendar. I don't remember seeing this. This is, oh my god, it's so crazy. It's gonna be 2019 soon. So this is the Kate Spade gold dot desktop calendar. This is super cute. I love having stuff like this. I had like just like paper ones that were like flat. This is a lot better because it stands up and the paper doesn't get like lost. It says on here I can see $20 value, so cute. Rest in peace, Kate Spade. Love you. Oh, so sad. All right, next thing I see, oh, I've used these before. The Wander Beauty Baggage Claim, the Gold Eye Mask. We've received these in a past BoxyCharm, or at least some people did. I'm not sure if it was a variant or not. I really like these, so I'm super pumped. There's 6 of them. I totally have used mine. I think 3 came in our BoxyCharm, so let's see, what's the price of this? I really do like those. They did help my bags and made my under eye feel moisturized. These are $25. Damn. And that's what they look like. They really are gold. Awesome. Oh my god, there's some more things. Oh my god, I love her. You guys, I love Reese Witherspoon so much. And this is why it's heavy, and the book's heavy. This is Reese Witherspoon, Whiskey in a Teacup, What Growing Up in the South Taught Me About Life, Love, and Baking Biscuits. Look how beautiful she is. I am so excited. I love her so much. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to read this. Oh, just look, it's like so pretty. This is all, like, I'm so excited. This will be like definitely going on my coffee table right after this video. Super excited about that. Let's see how much that baby costs. $35. Awesome, I can't wait to read it. Oh, it looks like there's some recipes in there, because you can see that. Awesome. Oh my god, I have like such a girl crush on her. Okay, so I think that's, what's this? I think that's everything, but then there's a little box here. It says, P.S. There's more. Open this flap to reveal. Here, let me take some stuff out. Sorry, this is like such a full box, and I have like shit everywhere. But look at underneath everything, it says, P.S. There's more, and it says to open this flap, so I'm gonna do that. I think I just knocked a bunch of stuff over, but oh my god, there really are. There's like 3 more things. Okay, this is funny. I think I got this in a Target box. This is some eye drops, Lumify Bromonidine eye drops, redness reliever. And I know these, I can remember off the top of my head, these are almost $12. So and during the season, I do get dry eyes, so that's awesome. Random little bonus. And then, ooh, what's this? This is Elia Open Your Senses Jet Lag Travel Support Roll-On. Awesome. Isn't this such cute packaging? It's in the scent like fresh, it says. Let's see if I can get this open. My nails are so long now, I should open. Okay. Sorry, I'm struggling. I can't open it right now, but that's a great little, yeah. And that's what this little piece of paper I saw. I was like, what is that? Oh, what is this? Beautiful Belle. This is a rollerball of perfume. Okay, this I'll be able to open. Oh my god, look at this. Is a like full-size rollerball by Estee Lauder and Beautiful Belle. This smells good. This is an awesome add-on. Oh my god. I don't put any perfume on yet today, so. This smells awesome. Let's see if there's any information on this stuff. That's so awesome. I love when there's bonuses, especially good ones. Oh, this is a piece of paper I like rambled on for a second. I was like, what is this for? It's for the Elia product. Where is my, you guys, there's papers everywhere. I don't know. I think I lost the sheet with all the prices. I don't even know if it usually says the prices of the bonuses, but those are some awesome bonuses that definitely up the price. Like this, I know those eye drops alone are probably less than everything, and those were like $11.95 or something. And this rollerball, this smells so, this is a full size. This is probably like $30 or something like that. So overall, I love this box. I like everything. I can't wait to use eyeshadow palette. The candle smells really good. I'm gonna leave this, oh my god, I just got lipstick on it, oops. I'm gonna leave this out. I'm so excited about the Reese Witherspoon. I like everything. What do you guys think? I think that is so worth it. Like that is hundreds of dollars of stuff. Oh, the throw, which my cat is laying on right now, but whatever, they'll be on it eventually anyways. But I think so awesome. And if you guys like it, as of today, it was still available and it's $55. So if you want to gift it to someone too, I think this would be a great gift. Like just that throw alone, or you can like get it and use individual items as gifts. Because that's a good idea. You can use like the throw for someone, the book for someone else, maybe like the scents, like for stocking stuffers. That would be a good idea too. But anyways, I am so glad I'm back. I've missed you guys. Look out, I'm gonna have a bunch of new videos because I have so many boxes here waiting for you to open. And some of them are new too. I have some newer boxes that are gonna be like a little bit different, but I think they'd be like good gift ideas for other people or for yourself, like if you're not into just beauty. So look out for those, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.